Good morning, guys.
Good morning, how you doing?
Welcome back to our vlog channel. It's not actually the morning right now.
It is afternoon.
Yeah, it is afternoon, but we thought we would vlog anyway.
1 o'clock.
Yeah, we kind of want to apologise first of all for not filming for a while now.
Yeah, it's actually been 3 weeks. It's just, the weather really affects us. Like, the weather just went really bad, and like, I don't know, we had like a creative block.
Yeah, we just didn't really know what to film. Like, it's not like we're doing any renovations, it's not like we can really travel, so...
And we didn't just want to film like random videos.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so we were kind of like, what should we film? So they've actually recently opened Ikea, so we're going to be venturing over to Ikea, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to go to Ikea. Haven't been there in literally months, have we?
Maybe like 4 months or so. Yeah, they've recently opened and it's like safe to go as long as you're social distancing, so we're going to give it a go and see what's new.
Also, we've kind of taken up Call of Duty, both of us, so
I've started playing COD and honestly, I rage so much. Like, I'm not good at it, am I? Like, I'm getting better.
Okay. We play online split screen.
Yeah.
So... yeah,
we've been doing that for days, like not even joking, days.
I know, I haven't done this since I was like 14, but we've just like got into it all of a sudden.
And Matt's really good, but I'm just trying to rank up, you know.
You're getting there.
So I guess what's new, we're in the garden, so we thought we would show you guys a new addition to the garden. We actually got some water lilies for our little pond, because we get quite a lot of algae in here, although we do have the fountain, there isn't like filter
or UV light. I think they call it that.
Yeah, so we got these to kind of help with the algae and stuff, and they look really cute. They've actually closed up now, but when they open up they look really pretty.
Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the garden. We haven't done anything else, but we're gonna have lunch now, and we're gonna have these One Planet pizzas. We had these a while ago, and we haven't had them since because locally nowhere really stocks them. We'd have to go into Oxford to get them. Yeah. But they are literally amazing, and they've got a new cheeseburger pizza.
Oh my god.
I've tried this, and it is so good.
They look amazing. And we've tried these at the vegan camp out last year, and we were just like blown away.
We had the meat feast, I think, at the vegan camp out. And honestly, it's just... these are Meatless Farm burgers, I think, aren't they, on here?
So, yeah, I think they collaborated with the Meatless Farm.
Oh yeah, Meatless Farm, yeah. So we're going to give that a go. Roxy hasn't tried it yet.
I haven't tried it yet. Matt's had one of them. And what's this one?
That's the pepperoni. That looks good too.
Oh, nice. I like the 3 cheese pizza they do. But yeah, this brand is amazing for pizzas that are vegan.
Yeah.
Oh,
the shape's really funny because I put it in the... I stuffed it in the freezer.
I'll tell you guys a taste test. The cheese looks amazing though.
It is, yeah. It is good. It's got gherkins on it, which I take off.
But... okay, fair enough.
I might try to like them soon though.
Well, we've tried it before. I've tried eating mushrooms again, not that long ago, maybe like a few months ago, and it's just confirmed I still don't like them.
There's mushrooms in our garden at the minute.
I know, I was like, can I eat these? I'm not gonna eat them. We do actually want to grow our own veg soon, but...
yeah, I've always wanted to. I think we could, because we're getting better at this whole gardening thing.
I know, yeah.
Maybe just some herbs to start with.
Yeah, maybe some herbs and like a few different... like, I really want to grow like peppers or tomatoes.
I would love to grow peppers.
Oh, peppers! I love peppers.
I don't know, maybe you need a greenhouse. I don't know. No, you don't. I guess you don't. No.
We'll see, we'll see. That smells delicious.
Look at that. The burger, I think it has like a slight barbecue sauce like mixed in with it.
Oh my god. Really good. Wait, that's just gherkins. I think I might actually even like that. I don't mind gherkins.
Alright then.
Let's try it. Look at that cheese. That is insane. I mean, it smells really nice. Let's try a bit of the Meatless Farm burger bit. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
It's good, isn't it?
Oh my god.
It's good.
That tastes just like beef.
Yeah.
Wow. That tastes like the Beyond Meat. You know the Beyond Burger? That tastes so good.
Like, yeah.
This is insane. If you guys haven't tried it, you need to get one. And where can they get this? Online?
I don't know. They do it in some stores.
Yeah.
Have to look it up.
Yeah. We have arrived at Ikea and look at the queue.
I have no idea.
I mean, it looks worse because people are obviously distanced, but it's pretty bad still.
I don't know. It's quite a long zigzag back and forth.
Oh my god. Oh dear. Oh dear. Alright guys, half an hour later we are finally in.
We're on the escalator.
We're on the escalator, it's happening.
I haven't been on this escalator in a long time.
I know, it feels so surreal being back here.
Yeah, 40 minutes wasn't too bad.
Was it 40 minutes? I thought it was half an hour.
No, it was 40 minutes.
Wow.
It went quite quick though, so it's not bad.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
I'm excited to see if anything's changed.
Yeah, me too.
So let's have a look.
Oh, guys. guys, there's a new faux plant. Wow.
Got a purple back to it.
I know it's got a purple back, which is kind of weird, but I like the leaves. Ikea doesn't really release that many like fake plants very often.
No.
So it's quite interesting.
They're always like the same, aren't they?
Yeah, they're always the same, and we've got like so many of them, but this is new, so I thought I'd show you guys. It's quite interesting. Everything else though seems pretty similar so far, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm just looking, like, it is really quiet in here. Like, the queue is the worst part. Once you're in here,
it's pretty spaced out, isn't it?
it's all spaced out, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Everyone's keeping their 2 meters, so we're all safe.
It's more spaced out than Tesco.
So we've just found this lamp, and it's so cute. It literally gives me such like Bali vibes, so I think we're gonna get one of those.
Yeah, I like it. It's actually gotten a lot busier in this section.
Yeah, it really is. So we're trying to like stay off to the sides, but yeah, I'm gonna get one of these. It's really, really cute. So this is the one we actually were gonna get, but we've decided against it. We're thinking of getting this one instead.
Yeah, I think
I
that
think
one
it's
looks a
really
bit
cool.
nicer, actually.
Yeah, I really like this one. I like the bottom like wooden base.
Yeah, the other one was like a chromy bottom.
Yeah, let's get this one. So we're back home now from Ikea. Sky is here with us. Look at her. Little girly. We're just going to show you guys what we picked up basically. We got like a bunch of random stuff, didn't we?
Yeah, a bunch of like
Oh my
weird...
god, what's she doing? What are you doing on my new towel?
She always does that.
Girly.
It's like to do her scent or something.
That was so weird. She was just like rubbing her back paws on it.
She usually does that on my clothes.
Sweetheart, what are you doing? Trying to rub your scent on it already? Anyway, so we got...
Jeez.
She doesn't want to stop. Oh my god! Sky! What are you doing, girly?
You being a naughty
Those
girl.
are not for you. Those are not for you.
She just
Sweetheart.
She just isn't going to let us do this haul.
No, she's
It
not.
has to be about her.
Sweetie, she's so cute. Anyway, so I got this towel, which Sky has very kindly rubbed all her feet on. She's just going crazy, but yeah, it's nice, isn't it? It feels nice. Good
simple white
quality.
towel.
Good quality. This is for the downstairs bathroom.
Yeah.
We then got Matt some slippers.
Yep.
I don't know how much these were. Probably very inexpensive.
They weren't much, I don't think.
No, they're kind of like towel slippers because you haven't got
Yeah.
any. And then lastly, for like bath stuff, I got this bath mat.
Yeah,
we
we
don't actually
needed
have
one
one.
of those.
Yeah, I don't know why, but all of my bath mats always, like, I just always go through bath mats so quick. They always end up being like really nasty.
Well, yeah.
That's just like one of those things. But yeah, I really like this one. It's very soft. And then we got some like random bits and bobs really for the house.
Yeah, we got this plant. It's it's in this like wicker style almost.
Yeah, little
Kinda like-
planter.
Yeah, so that's cute. That's real.
Matt actually let me have it because I usually kill them, and I was like, please, can I have a succulent that's real? And he was like,
Yeah.
all right.
And then literally we just got some random bits. We had to get a candle.
Jesus, you almost like punched me in the face.
I know.
with that. I was like,
that
"Whoa."
was we had to get a candle. Obviously, that one's really.
Oh my god,
nice.
this one smells so good. Sky, do you like it? No, she likes your trousers more.
Just always sniffing
She's just
me.
sniffing you. Smell this. Oh yeah, she likes that. Lovely. Yeah, so
Not
this
as
is
much
like
as
a
me, though.
yeah, peach ice cream, really nice.
Then just some boring bits. We got another pizza cutter because
Ours has gone like rusty. I don't know why.
Yeah, and a bottle opener and
No, that's a can opener.
Bottle
Well,
opener / can opener.
Yeah, a bit of everything.
Yeah, peeler.
Peeler.
Literally
I
just
needed
basic
another one of
stuff.
those.
Little like bread basket.
Yeah, I
kind of
really
thing.
like this. I like all the wicker stuff that they've got currently at Ikea.
Yeah,
Really cute.
This is useful. It's a plug with 3 USB slots.
Yeah, we're always
So-
running out of those, aren't we?
Well, because we have so many cables, but we don't have as many plugs.
Yeah, I know.
So it's like, yeah,
So that's useful.
That's going to be really handy.
And then my favourite 2 things of the whole like trip to Ikea is this massive thing. It's like
Yeah.
a wicker vase, isn't it?
And you put some of these like fake plants in it.
Yeah, like little fake branches. Yeah, I think it's really cute. I don't know where to put it. Maybe over there on that little sideboard
There
right
somewhere.
here.
Yeah.
And then we got the lamp as well, which I'm excited about.
Yeah.
Open it up.
Make sure we got the right one.
Yeah. Yeah, that is it. I like the wooden thing. It's got like a little wooden bottom. I think it's so cute. And again, this reminds me of Bali so much.
It would be nice if they made like a little diffuser
Oh my
in this
gosh,
style.
yeah, that would
That'd
be
be
really
nice.
cute. Ikea, get on that.
That would be cool. Yeah, I like this a lot.
Yeah,
and
we're going to put a Philips Hue bulb in there.
Yeah.
Really cute. Again, like, I just really love anything that's like Balinese kind of style. Because we saw so much of this kind of thing in Bali when we went last year.
Yeah. It's just like a lot of it's handmade there.
Yeah.
And if you go to like Home Sense, you can pick up a lot of things that have been handmade in Indonesia in general.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we really like that kind of stuff.
So we're basically trying to make our home feel more like we're in another country, pretty much.
Without the tropical climate.
Yeah. Look at her. We also picked up one of these at Ikea.
Yeah, these are...
They're limited edition.
Well, this was the last one, actually. So...
Yeah, sometimes it's a little bit broken sometimes.
Yeah, it doesn't always work properly.
It doesn't always work properly, so we might get a refund. Look at her.
Sweetheart.
She's so cute.
Don't tear up our carpet, we won't get a refund for you.
Oh, she's so sweet.
Okay.
She wants to give you a kissy. Yeah, princess.
There you go. You happy now?
Yeah, she's got her feature. She's got her every vlog feature now. Sweetie, isn't she so pretty? I love her.
Oh, did we show the vlog that box thing I made?
No, that was on her Instagram. We showed that.
Oh.
If you guys don't follow Sky on Instagram, make sure you do. Anyways, guys, we're gonna probably make some dinner now and finish the vlog.
Look at this. What?
What's she doing?
Oh no.
Oh my god.
I cannot believe this. She literally just wanted her tail.
What?
You do not fit in there.
Cute. She thinks she fits in there.
You don't.
Oh my god.
But yeah, we're just gonna make dinner now.
Yeah, we're gonna make dinner now and probably finish the vlog. So, hope you guys enjoyed seeing what we picked out from Ikea.
Yeah, to be honest, not a lot's changed there. It's basically exactly the way they left it.
Yeah, there's only a few new things. Like, there was a really nice lampshade we wanted, but it was out of stock, which was new.
Yeah, so I can only really recommend going there if you're just like a bit bored.
Yeah, or if you are actually looking to buy some basics, but if you've already been to Ikea like 3 months ago, not much has really changed. But anyways, we're gonna finish the vlog here and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, alright, and we won't leave it so long this time.
Yeah, we won't, hopefully.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.